Okay, to begin with our problem, it's Millard South High School is hosting a debate tournament. 3 classrooms are being used for rounds of Lincoln Douglas debate. Each judge, after each round, has to turn in the ballots at a table to show who had won the round. Where should we place the ballot table for the Lincoln Douglas debate so the judges have an equal amount to walk from the classrooms? So let's go on to our app of GeoGebra. So this is going to be the image I'm going to be using. It's basically just a hallway with some classrooms. And when you enter an image, you're going to go 3 boxes from the right, and click on it. And then you can click anywhere on the screen and insert the image. But I already have my image inserted. And if you need to move it, just click on this last box and you can move it around to anywhere you need it. So I started out by putting my points on where the classrooms are going to be, Classroom A, Classroom B, and Classroom C. And so we're going to begin by connecting our points. So go to the 3rd box from the left and click on Segment and connect them. And I'm also going to be making the points and lines thicker and the points a different color so it's more noticeable. So you're going to left click and go to Object Properties. To change the color, you go to Color, changing it to white, and then you're going to go to Style and change the size of it, and I'm going to be going to size 5. And if your point doesn't have a label, just click Show Label and it just show up. And now to make my lines thicker so they're more noticeable, go to 4. Okay, now to find the perpendicular bisector, what you're going to want to do is just go from 4 boxes from the left to perpendicular to this box right here. It should say perpendicular line instead, and you're going to click down on the little arrow and click on perpendicular bisector. To find perpendicular bisector, all you're going to want to do is just click on each of the lines and it bisects the line perpendicularly. And do it on all 3 lines. So then right here is going to be where your points intersect. And you're going to want to go from 2 boxes from the left and click down and go to Point on Object. And from there, what you're going to want to be doing is just make sure all the lines are light up and put the point down, and it should be your point D. And if it's not showing, just click on Show Label. And to actually show that all your points are equally from the point D, you're just going to want to go to 5 boxes from the right and click down and go to Distance or Length and just find the distance from point A to point D, point B to point D, and point C to point D. And they're all equal amount, and so that proves that point D is the circumcenter of this triangle. And to prove that it actually is the circumcenter, if we were to move around the triangle, say the classroom, we use this classroom, this would still be the area where you'd want to place the ballot table so all the judges equally walk. So as you can see, all the measurements stay the same no matter where I move it, even if I move it right here or all the way up here. So that is how you find the circumcenter of a triangle.